Welcome to lesson 1.6, Solving Linear Inequalities. As usual, this is the Algebra 2 textbook, Michigan edition, where I got these examples from. Let's dive in. They say describe the graph of x is less than 2. So when they say describe the graph, they mean you have, this was the line, and this was 0, 2, 4, right? Now, when they say less than, there is a open circle at the place where it's less, the given place, then it's pointing toward the direction this sign points to. If it says it's less than, then it says less than, then it would mean it would be pointing this way, the open or closed circle. Right now, this closed is if it's less than equal to or greater than and equal to. This one with the open circle will mean if it's greater than or less than. Right? Anyway, the graph would be like this. So it would be an open circle. So we can immediately rule out choices B and C because they say closed circles. Open circle with A says open circle with at 2 with the arrow pointing left. D says an open circle at 2 with an arrow pointing right. Well, because it says x is less than, it would be pointing left. Thus, your answer would be A. Right? Okay. Now let's do number 2. Clear up some space here. Right? Right. Translate the verbal phrase into an inequality. Then graph the inequality. The verbal phrase is all numbers that are greater than 5 and less than -2. Greater than -5 and less than -2. My bad. We did the translations from verbal phrases to equations in Algebra 1. The beginning of Algebra 1, if you want, I suggest you look at lesson 1 in Unit 1 of the Algebra 1 textbook. I believe it is lesson. I believe it was lesson 1.3 where we watched this. Algebra 1. Right. If you need help with translations, visit Algebra 1 1.3 lesson. If you need help with the translations, be sure to visit that. Visit the Algebra 1 1.3 lesson from me. It's in the playlist of Algebra 1s. Anyway, all real numbers that are greater than -5 and less than -2. Right? So if we draw this number line, less than -2, so that's the minimum. Greater than -5. So this would be -5, -4, -3, -2. Okay. all real numbers that are greater than 5, so it would be an open circle, but less, right? Greater than, but it should be less than. Hold on, let me make that neater. But less than -2, right? The only areas where this satisfies is in this boundaries. So if you write two different equations, that's not how it works. You have to write one graph. It would look something like this, where there are two open circles, one sided this way, one sided this way, right? So hopefully we'll get, so this is how it would look. That's the graph. So if you wanted to convert that, you'd say -5. The number is greater than -5. So number x is greater than 5, but it's less than -2. So it looks something like this. See, -5 is less than x, which is less than -2. So your answer for this and would be B. And hopefully you get a good feel as to how this is. If you were looking for videos such as these, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting videos regularly. If you have any questions, go ahead and type them in the comments. I'll be answering them during the weekends. If you're looking again, if you need help with these translations, visit the Algebra 1.3 lesson, and I'll see you next time.